Good morning, everyone. We're just waiting for the parties to join and then we can get started. So give us a couple moments while we add them to the Zoom.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Hartnett. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good, good.
It looks like we're just waiting for the respondent to join. Attorney Hartnett, have you heard from the officer since?
No, the last time I heard from her was the email that I forwarded.
Okay, thank you. We'll give her a couple moments to join and if she doesn't, then we can get started to keep things on time.
Mr. Hartnett, the email that you're referring to is her email indicating that she does not want to proceed any further?
Correct.
Okay. Ms. Zhao, how long do we normally wait for a party?
We usually give them a couple minutes. I did want to just note that in case the officer is on here, to please just identify themselves clearly so we know that it's them. There is someone on here that has a name that we're not sure who they are. So if they are here, we'll admit them shortly, but we can start whenever you think it's appropriate.
Okay, I'll wait a few minutes more.
Okay.
Okay, so why don't we proceed?
Sure. So good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, October 14th, 2025. The time is 10:06 a.m. This is a status conference in the matter of Imari Soares before the Massachusetts Peace Officer Standards and Training Commission. This proceeding is open to the public. We are convening remotely over Zoom, and this status conference is being recorded. The Honorable Barbara A. Dortch-Okara is the presiding officer over today's status conference. My name is Lizzie Zhao, and I'm the hearings administrator for the Post Commission, and this matter is now before Judge Dortch-Okara.
Good morning, all. Would the parties present introduce themselves?
Timothy Hartnett on behalf of the commission.
And is there anyone here on behalf of Officer Soares? Apparently not. There are outstanding matters before me, Mr. Hartnett, as you know. Your motion for summary decision and a motion for a stay brought by Ms. Soares. I had intended to hear argument, not necessarily directly on these motions, but essentially clearing the way for me to rule on these motions today. As there is no one here representing Officer Soares, and Officer Soares is not here, I don't know that there's any need specifically to take up these motions. I had hoped to address some matters related to her email to you before addressing the motions. Would you indicate if you've had any contact with her?
Yep. After about a week or so ago, we spoke by phone. I just wanted to, before our joint pretrial was due, we had to confer, so I reached out to her. I actually sent her a draft joint pretrial memo, but she indicated when we spoke that she understood what my argument was on a legal argument, and that she understood that, at least from our position, that you know, it was a requirement that she be decertified, and she seemed to understand that, and she indicated that she wasn't sure if she even wanted to go forward at that time, and I said that's fine. I'll just draft the pretrial motion, send it to you, just let everybody know before the hearing what you want to do, and then so I sent her the draft, and then she sent me back an email indicating that she didn't want to move forward with the hearing.
And you haven't heard anything further from her, Mrs. Zhao? Mrs. Zhao?
No, I have not.
All right. So how would you like to proceed, Mr. Hartnett?
I would just, if we could rule on the motion for summary disposition, I think that, you know, I mean, she could also be defaulted, but I think it's cleaner and it's more appropriate in this case to move on to summary disposition.
So do I. We would resolve the pending matters on the docket at least. Do you want to be heard on that motion?
No, I can rest on my papers.
All right. Then I will take the matter under advisement, but clearly there's no opposition to it. And of course, we know the law in the area. So a decision will be forthcoming shortly. Is there anything more before we end the session?
No, Your Honor.
No? All right. Well, thank you for your appearance, Mr. Hartnett.
Of course, thank you.
Yeah, have a pleasant day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
This matter is concluded.